Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I am going to show you how you can do absolute imports of React.js. So here I have created a component and there are two subdirectories here. One is cart, which has a cart component, and the products has another subfolder called cards, and it has a card component. Okay, so now this card component is just a basic component. Okay, so I am going to import it with a card.js. So this is done by relative imports. Okay, import cart from so basically this is how you used to import. So this is basically then a relative import. Okay, for example, you will be having a problem to understand the path of this. Okay, if your project is very complex, so for that the next way of doing is to create a file here in the root folder, that is jsconfig.json. Okay. So here you need to specify a few things. First is compiler options. Within the compiler options you have to specify a base URL. So base URL is the main URL that will be pointing to your project base directory, and the base directory is src. The next thing you need to specify is the option called include. Okay, so we need to specify which directory to include. So here it is src. So now I'll go back to my terminal and run the project. So before doing that I need to also include the cards in this app.js, and here what I need to do is I'll just comment this components slash cart slash cart. Okay. So this is what absolute import look like. So now coming to app.js, I will include here card component. So this is how you can see it is a relative import, it is an absolute import now, and you can see it works. This is how you can use absolute imports in React.js. Thank you.